Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to fix a connection error in Wix Payments. So I'll start with the first step, which is to log into your Wix dashboard. From here, you just have to open Finances and tap on Wix Payments and read the red connection error banner to confirm payments are disconnected. Next is click on the Payment Methods tab to see the disconnected status and blue Setup Payments button that starts the reconnection flow. Next is complete pending verification. So you have to review the verification checklist, which is business details, tax ID, and bank account. Upload any missing documents and wait for the status to turn green. Next is reconnect your bank through Plaid. So click on Connect Bank, search for your bank in the Plaid modal, and enter your online banking credentials, and then authorized and read-only access. Lastly is confirm the connection is restored, so you have to return to the Wix Payments overview. You should see a green connected status, recent transactions, and an active view payouts button. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!